class 9. Today we will go to read our first topic of that is number system. Number system. We all are familiar with this topic, number system from class 6, 7. But in this chapter we will go to read two new things, that is rational number and irrational numbers. We know that under number system it comes first natural number, natural number. You all know what is natural number. Natural numbers, all the counting numbers comes under natural numbers. Of course, all counting numbers are natural number. Natural number. All counting number are natural number. It is denoted by it is denoted by capital N, and if you want to write inside, then you can write this as 1, 2, 3, 4 to plus infinity. Second one is whole number. Again, we all are familiar with this whole number. Whole number or digit of all the natural numbers together with 0. All natural numbers together with 0 called whole number. Whole number. Okay. Natural number and whole number. It is denoted by capital W. It is denoted by W, and we can write it instead 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to plus infinity. Okay, plus infinity, because we have many numbers, we cannot give any. And most important in this topic is the integers in number system. Integers. What is integers? We all know all the positive numbers, negative numbers with 0 is called integers. So we can write it all positive, negative and 0 together called integer. So integers. Okay, integers. We can write it. It is denoted by I. It is denoted by, we can Z. Mainly we denote here by Z. This is capital Z. It is denoted by Z. It is a German word Zählen, meaning to count, which means to count. And we can write this as Z is equals to minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 up to plus infinity, from minus infinity to plus infinity. Integers. Here we are talking about integers mainly because we are going to read about rational number and irrational number. First of all, we read about the rational numbers. So I want to introduce with you rational number. Rational number. Anyone guess what is rational number? What is rational number? Rational number is also a part of number system. The number, we can say this as the number which is in the form of P by Q. The number which are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integer. Look here, integer, and Q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. The number which are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. Then we can say this as a rational number. Why P and Q are integers? Integers means what? It can be both positive and negative. For an example, 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. Here 2 by 3, both 2 and 3 are positive numbers, natural numbers. No, here 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5. This minus 3 it's we called it as a numerator and its denominator. Its numerator is negative, so it comes under the number integer. So we have used here in the definition the term integer, the number which are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. Many students have doubt that, sir, is 3 is a rational number. Yes, of course 3 is also a rational number. Because why? Because under this we can write denominator as 1. So 3 is also a rational number. 3 is also a rational number. Sir, is it 0 is a rational number? Yes, 0 is also a rational number. 0 is also rational because 0 by 1 we can write this. But if anyone ask 0, anyone ask 0 by 5 is rational, rational, and of course we can say that yes, it is rational, but 5 by 0 not a rational. Because why? Because our definition say that p by q, where q is not equals to 0. Here our q is equals to 0, so it is not a rational number. We have get conclusion about rational number. I again wants to repeat this. What is rational number? In short, the number which are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integer and q is not equals to 0. For an example, 2 by 3, minus 3 by 5, 3 by 1, 0 by 1. Many students have doubt that 0 is rational or not. Yes, 0 is rational because we can write 0 by 1. 1 as a denominator. Okay, 0 by 5 is also a rational, but 5 by 0 is not a rational number because our definition of rational number does not support this, where q is not equals to 0, but here q is equals to 0, so it is not a rational number. 5 by 0 is not a rational number. And while writing rational number should should always be written in simplest form. What? Simplest form. What is meant by simplest form? Simplest form means, I mean to say that if we write 2 by 4, then we can cut it. We can cut numerator and denominator by 2. Then how? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is 1 by 2. The simplest form of 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So we have to always write our rational number in the simplest form, that is 1 by 2, not 2 by 4. 3 by 6 if given, then we can cut it by 3. 3 1 is 3 2 6. 1 by 2, which is simplest form. So we have to always try to write our rational number in the simplest form. We all know that by this we can give a conclusion on equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number. What is equivalent rational number? We can say equivalent rational numbers for an example: 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 2 by 4, okay, 3 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. If we cut down all in its simplest form, then we get what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 2 1 2, 2 2 1 by 2, 3 3 1 3 2 1 by 2, 4 4 1 4 2 1 by 2. All lastly what we get? 1 by 2. So it is called equivalent fraction. What is called equivalent fraction? 1 by 2, okay, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, and 4 by 8. Also many more dot dot are the equivalent rational numbers, which value is 1 by 2. All values gets 1 by 2. When we convert it into its simplest form, we get 1 by 2. So it is called equivalent rational numbers. Okay. Types of questions in this chapter that we have to solve is the representation of rational number on the number lines, and we have to find some rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. Okay, because only these two types of question we have to solve in this chapter. That is, one is representation and second one is to find out the rational number between any two given rational numbers. So I will not do you from the examples. I will try to make you understand from our exercise 1a. Exercise 1a, I will pick some questions and I will try to make you clearance about the types of question that this chapter holds. First one is that we have to represent is zero or rational number justify. I have already said it, you have to try it first. If any doubt, then I will clear it. Second is that represent each of the following rational numbers on the number line. Here we have given the topic represent each of the following rational numbers on the number line. Second question number first is 5 by 7. We have to represent this 5 by 7 in a number line. Number line. How to represent this 5 by 7 in number line? We have to draw a straight line and take a center 0 and divide it into the parts as it has said, and we have to make a partitions. For examples, we can do this 1 by, we can write this by 1 by 7. From starting we can write this as a 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, okay, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7. Okay, in another side, minus 1 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 6 by 7, minus 7 by 7. Here we can say that AB line is drawn. AB line is drawn with center O. Okay, I have what actually I have done here, that I have divided 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 in how many parts? 7 parts. How many parts? 7 parts. 7 parts. You can look this 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7. If we got here 7 by 7, we get actually here 1. It means 0 to 1 I have divided it into 1 by 7 parts. Now what we have to determine here? 5 by 7. The 5 by 7. Here is our rational number 5 by 7. You can denote here by P that it is our 5 by 7 rational numbers. We have divided 0 to 1 into 7 parts: 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. Okay, we have done this. Here is numerator is greater, here is denominator is greater than numerator. Second case, if denominator is less than numerator, then we have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Second question, 8 by 3. Here denominator is less than numerator, then what we have to do? We have to convert it into mixed fraction. We all know to convert it into the mixed fraction. We have to convert into first mixed fraction. If you convert 8 by 3 into mixed fraction, then we get 8 by 3 as a what? 2 by 3, 2 to the 6, 7, 8, 8 by 3. Now we have to draw a number line AB and take O as a center. So let's do it. I have drawn a number line A B with O as a center and taking 0 here. Now I will, here what we get? 2 by 3. Here we have got 2 by 3. So 1 unit, taking 1 unit here. Okay, OA we have to take here. For an example, I am taking OP as a 1 unit. OP, here P, we consider OP as a 1 unit. OP is equals to 1 unit. OP 1 units. Okay, P, here we have to take Q as a 2 units, 1 unit, then second one is second unit. And while we get here 2, we have here in mixed fraction 2 by 3. 2 already we have got. Now this between 2 and 3 we have to divide it into how many parts? 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Divided into 3 parts. Here we have written 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. What we have to next one is the 2 by 3. 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Here we get 2 by 3. So we can represent x is equals to 2 by 3 here. X equals to 2 by 3. How? I want to explain it first. We have drawn AB, okay, AB and taken OP equals to 1 unit, PQ again 1 unit, that is 2 becomes 2. Now after 2 we have to divide it into 2 by 3 parts. So 3 parts, what is denominator? 3. I have divided between 2 and 3, it is 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Here we get 3. 3 by 3 equals to 1. 3 by 3 equals to 1, that is 3 unit. Exactly, here is 3. But we have to take 2 by 3 parts here. So 2 unit we have from O to Q. Already we get 2 unit. Next one is what? 2 by 3. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by sorry 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. So 3 by 2 by 3 part is here. So x equals to 2 by 3. Already we have got a conclusion. In this way you can solve remaining question. Solve and OP equals to 1, OQ equals to 2 units, and further divided QR into three parts, and we get our conclusion. Okay, now I'll go to the third number question. In third number question, it is said that find a rational number between. Find or rational means only one rational number between, okay, between two given rational number. Given rational number given between given two rational number. That is, first question is what? 3 by 8 and 2 by 5. In this case, if it is said that we have to find that only one rational number, then we can use a formula. That is what? Half into x plus y. Half into x plus y. By using this formula, we can get one rational number between these two given rational numbers. How to apply this formula? X equals to 3 by 8 and y equals to 2 by 5. By formula, we can find one rational number. 1 by 2 x 3 by 8 plus y 2 by 5. Here we have to take the LCM of 8 and 5. 1 by 2. LCM of 8 and 5 is, we of course know that it is 40, and then 3 into 5 plus 2 into 8. Half 3 5s are 15 plus 2 8s are 16 by 40. Then we get this page. 1 by 2, 15 plus 16 by 40, that is what? 31 by 40. Half into 31 by 40. We cannot cancel 31 by 2, so we have to multiply this by denominator, 31 by 80. This is a rational number between given two rational numbers. So 31 by 80 is a rational number between 3 by 8 and 2 by 5. We can solve any of the questions by this process or rational number, that is single rational number of question number 3. Okay, next type question is our, that is 4 number question. Find three rational number lying between 3 by 5 and 7 by 5. Find three rational number lying between 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. Here we can see that denominator is not same here. So first of all, we will try to make this denominator same by taking LCM. 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. We first of all make this denominator equal. LCM of 5 and 7. 5 and the 35. So 3 by 5 into 7 by 7. This is 21 by 35. Okay. Second one is 5 by 7 into 5 by 5. 5 5 is 25 by here 5 7 is 35. 25 by 35. Here we get two rational number after taking LCM by making while making its denominator same is 21 by 35 and 25 by 35. Here it is set to three rational number 21, 22 by 35, 23 by 35, 24 by 35. We got the three rational numbers between these given two rational numbers after converting its denominator into equal form. Okay, that is 21 by 35 and 25 by 35. We can now write three rational number between these two given rational number, that is 22 by 35, 23 by 35, 24 by 35. So we'll get some difficulties while solving question, but I think you will not get any difficulties while solving this question by this process. Only we have to do here what? We have taken LCM and made these denominators equal. First part is this 35, second part is this, and we have got true rational number between the given two rational number what was demanded in our question. Next question is that find four rational number between 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Here you will say that 3 by 7, you can see that 3 by 7 and 5 by 7 denominator is same, then you can directly write all the four rational number, but not, it is not possible here. Why? Look at here, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, only one rational number which we can give here from this point of view is 4 by 7, but our question has asked here four rational numbers between 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. So next such types of question includes formula based questions. Next formula is that how many rational number it has demanded, so n equals to 4 rational number, n equals to 4. Now we can denote 3 by 7 as a equals to 3 by 7 and b equals to 5 by 7, and we apply here a formula. Next formula is that a into n plus 1 by n plus 1, and second one is b into n plus 1 by n plus 1 to find out the rational numbers. And in this by using this formula, by applying this formula, we can find how much rational number it asks between two given rational numbers. If here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we have to just change here that n equals to 8, 5, 6, 7, whatever it is given, then we have to use this formula. Okay, so a, what is a? 3 by 7, 3 by 7 into n, 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. Okay, now b is what? B is 5 by 7 into n plus 1, 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1, 3 by 7 into 5 by 5, 5 by 7 into 5 by 5, 3 5s are 15 by 7 5s are 25, here 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35. Now these two given rational numbers has converted into next two rational number, that is 15 by 35 and 25 by 35. If we cut it, then we get the same number, 5 3s are 15, 5 7 are 35, 5 5 are 25, 5 7 are 35. Same number we have got by using its simplest form, but I have not used the simplest number, I have converted into vast numbers because we have to find out four rational numbers. Now we can easily write any of the four rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, 15 by 35 and 25 and 35, the four rational numbers. We can write 16 by 35, 17 by 35, 18 by 35 and 19 by 35. Okay, by same way you have to do all the questions. Best of luck. Now we will see our next class tomorrow. If any doubt, you can ask question in the reply. and you have to solve your copy and ask dot.